I'm too lazy to wear a seatbelt. According to data from the Indonesian police, 30% of accident victims died because they did not use a seatbelt. And a study says that using a seatbelt can reduce the risk of injury by 50%. So, why are we lazy about using seatbelts? Even though this piece of belt can save our life. It's not difficult to wear a seatbelt throughout the trip, right? Alright, let's use a seatbelt. If you are a driver or you are a passengers. Use seatbelt, save your life.